Did your iPhone screen suddenly go black? Before assuming the worst, there are actually a few fixes that work surprisingly well, often. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an iPhone black screen issue. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first most obvious reason that many people overlook is simply the phone's battery has been depleted fully. This sometimes happens when, for example, you check your phone and it still has about 5% battery left and suddenly it just goes black. This happens. So what you have to do is to plug a charging cable into your phone and wait for a few minutes to see if the phone boots up. Sometimes you will need the phone to charge up to at least 10% before it boots up, so this may take a few minutes for this. However, there also may be a reason that your battery is flat or 0% and your charging port on your phone is spoiled. You can try to charge it wirelessly to see if the phone boots up. The next thing we can do is press and hold the power button on the right to try to power up the phone. This sometimes happens when your phone shuts down unexpectedly and all you need to do is to re-power up the phone. So press and hold the power button on the right for about 5 to 10 seconds, and if you see the Apple logo appearing, this means that the phone is booting up fine. The last thing you can do is that sometimes there is a glitch that makes the display 0% brightness, but the phone is actually still functioning properly. So what you have to do is to do a forced restart on your phone. To do this, on the left of your phone, press the volume up button, volume down button, and then press and hold the power button on the right side of the phone until the screen goes off. Wait for the Apple logo to come back on, and once the home screen turns on, your phone has restarted. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.